Welcome to MJTV. Thanks for watching. This video is about Wyze Cam Pan. Wyze Cam Pan. All right. This is for security cameras, they are really pretty good. I just tested it, scanned it. So this one works with Alexa and IFTTT. I don't know what that means yet, but so it's hold on. Wyze Cam Pan, okay. It does like 360. I don't know if you could see it because it's so light. 360 with access, motion tracking, good mic, good speaker. It has a wide angles. It also have motion tracking, which is pretty cool. That every time you move, it tracks, it follows. I'm gonna show you a sample video about it. I'm with my dog Bentley right now. He's very, what's the word? Forget the words, but okay. But I just, actually this word around $37 from Amazon. It comes with, I think, 6-foot micro USB for power and a plug. So here's the unboxing. Hi, I'm right here. Took it too low in the video, as you can see, it's tagging me motions. It's clear. I can see everything in my kitchen. Pardon my mess, so I guess that's it. Here is I activated motion tagging. Too many motions, so it looks like acting crazy. Alright. Well, there you have it. That's the unboxing of Wyze Cam Pan. Is that how I said it? Wyze Cam Pan. And before I forget, it has a night vision. It's really awesome. Great app. You have 14 days of cloud storing. You don't have to pay extras. This is really cheap for security camera, and then you get notified every time you it hits that event with motion trigger. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe for more videos, and also please do comment if you have suggestions and questions. And well, thank you for watching. Peace out.